What if the key to unlocking your best health was already inside you, waiting to be accessed? Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, stronger, and sharper without complicated routines or quick fixes. Sound impossible? It's not. It's the power of bioactive precision peptides. Our bodies were built for survival and scarcity, but today we live in a world of excess and overconsumption. Our modern lifestyle is working against us. Poor muscle quality? Your body conserves energy like it's preparing for a famine. Constant hunger even after eating? That's your primal brain making sure you're stocked up for winter. Feeling sluggish and gaining weight? Blame thousands of years of evolution fighting against inactivity, chronic stressors, and processed foods. Our modern lifestyle hijacks our metabolism, hormones, and recovery. Ultra-processed foods strip away nutrients. Sugar and seed oils disrupt your metabolic health. Stress and screens and poor sleep throw your body out of balance. And we're feeling it more than ever. Fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, and burnout. But what if we could naturally reset our entire system? Peptides are the language of the body. They are the tiny messengers that tell our cells what to do, regulating muscle growth, metabolism, hunger, mood, recovery, but our modern lifestyle drowns out those signals. That's where bioactive precision peptides come in. Think of peptides like text messages for your body, delivering precise instructions in real time. Hungry? That's a peptide. Building muscle? Peptides make it happen. Feeling good? Peptides are in control. Your body already knows what it wants to do, it just needs the right signals to do it. Now, while peptides are natural and powerful messengers that help your body adapt and thrive in today's fast-paced world, to unlock their true potential, they need the right support. That's why at Make, we've paired our peptide-powered products with carefully selected nutritional ingredients that enhance absorption, optimize receptor activation, and ensure seamless communication within the body. It's all about creating the perfect environment for peptides to do what they do best: promote vitality, resilience, and overall wellness. And with our delicious, easy-to-use delivery systems, you can experience the power of peptides without needles or synthetic drugs, just real results that fit your life. Whatever your challenge, there's a targeted solution. Lean for metabolic wellness, fit for strength and recovery, energized for sustained vitality, focused for sharper thinking, calm for balance and relaxation, and hydrated for deep cellular hydration. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about giving your body the precise tools it needs to perform at its best. Think about that moment when exhaustion hits, when cravings take over, when you feel like you're running on empty. That's when peptides could change everything. Your body isn't broken, it's just missing the right signals. And now, for the first time, you can put those signals back in place. This is your chance to rewrite the code, to take back control, to feel the way that you are meant to. Welcome to the future of health. Welcome to awakening your body. Welcome to Make Wellness.